Back again, viewers. Andy's Vlogs and Food Reviews here today, and yes, we're back again for another Takeaway Tuesday. Today we're situated at the Sandwich Club, situated just off Broad Street in Birmingham. We're going to pop inside, have a look, see what they've got to offer on the menu, and I'll be back in a moment. Right, viewers, we're back. We've got our breakfast. The breakfast come to $5.75. We've had 2 rounds of bread and butter and a cup of tea. The total price come to £7.35. If you just bear with me, viewers, I'll open the breakfast and I'll show you what we've got. Right, viewers, this is what we got. Basically, I had an 8-item breakfast. They all literally vary. If you have just a small breakfast, it comes to $4.75 for 6 items, $5.75 for 8, and $6.75 for 10. The tea or coffee is £1 extra, and this bread and butter or toast is 60p. So, like I say, my total price come to £7.35. Right, let's try the breakfast and see what we think. Right. I'm looking at that black pudding already, and you know what, viewers, already to me that don't look very cooked. Neither do the mushrooms, if I'm honest. Let's try that. I'm going to start with the black pudding. I haven't got my takeaway spork, unfortunately, it's in the car, but we managed to grab a bench today. No, I was right, viewers, that definitely needs longer. Tastes very rubbery, actually. To me, if you look at that, the one side, as a classic example, the one side looks cooked. And if you look at that there, and then you flip that over, the one side looks cooked and the other one doesn't. Appears to me as how they've cooked it the one side but not flipped it over. Right, let's try the mushrooms. No. Well, them are tin mushrooms to me. Yeah, they are. They've come out of a tin. But that's disappointing for a cafe, especially in Birmingham. I'd expect fresh mushrooms. Them are tin mushrooms. Right, let's try the sausage. I mean, one thing I'll give them credit for, they did ask me for sauce, and I just says plonk it in the corner, which they did. So I'll give them credit on that. I do know they were busy, but whether you're busy or not, you still expect. Now that, to me, there, viewers, look at that. That doesn't even look cooked. Look at that. Again, it looks to me, you can see the dark bit there, looks cooked there, but that, to me, doesn't look cooked. If you look there, it's quite well cooked this side, but then you look the other side, that sausage to me doesn't even look cooked. So, not too impressed with that. Let's try this sausage. Got the herbs, it's definitely herb sausage, you can tell that. That tasted not too bad. But let's just try, I'm just going to try a little bit of that. I'm a bit sceptical of that one there. Let's try that. No, that's not even cooked. So I won't be eating that. Right, let's try the bacon. Again, viewers, this... I mean, look at this, viewers. This is absolutely shocking. This is shocking, this is. I'm not impressed, if I'm honest. I think this is a case of picking out what I can eat, really, and what goes back, or what goes in the bin. I mean, this bacon, to me, it's like it's been preheated. I mean, look at that. It seems to me like it's been rushed, and I got the impression it was rushed because I saw how busy there was. Let's try the beans. As you can tell, viewers, I'm not happy. I really ain't. This is going to be one of those where I don't return to the cafe. I mean, even the tea, there's far too much milk in there. I mean, this is just shocking. Absolutely shocking. And obviously, viewers, it's my only opinion, but this is dire. This probably goes down as possibly the worst breakfast I think I've had on Takeaway Tuesday. Right, viewers, I'll do an assessment on it, and now normally I would tell people where it is, and all I can say, it's called the Sandwich Club. What do I think? Well, the bacon isn't cooked at all, as you can clearly see to me. Not cooked, quite fatty on the edges, not cooked at all, only in places. The black pudding has simply been cooked to one side but not the other side. The sausage, you can clearly see that is not cooked at all. Now you taste that part, that one tasted like it'd been cooked, but that one tastes like it hasn't. The mushrooms are definitely 100% tin mushrooms. For a breakfast, that's disappointing. You'd expect fresh mushrooms. The beans and tomatoes are nice. The price for what I've had, I think, is expensive, because it really is. I've got to tell you the truth, viewers, I'm having to mince my words in this. I am not happy. What can I give this breakfast out of 10? I'll be honest, viewers, I don't think I've ever done this. I've got to give it 1 out of 10. I've got to give it 1 out of 10. It's absolutely shocking. I won't be returning. Thank you very much for watching Takeaway Church. I'm sorry my temper's, I'm a bit angry about this. It's just shocking. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Excuse me. Sorry. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to the channel of late. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate all the lovely comments as well. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.